Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a little recording in my room, and I thought I would kind of film my process to get ready because we are going out this evening. Thought I would kind of record my routine as I try and get ready so that way I don't completely blow the schedule that I've already slipped on because I've not been feeling well all day. This stuff is still kind of new to me and I'm not exactly comfortable in front of the camera, especially in this capacity. We'll see if I can get through this routine and then on to my other obligations, and hopefully I can have a little bit of fun because I have been nursing this headache all day and I'm really hoping that it's mostly gone. Recently I did a really interesting video where I got my makeup done by a local semi-professional, I guess, makeup artist. She did go to school, but I don't think she graduated. However, she dabbles in makeup for stage performances as well as costume, cosplay types of things. And she did a pretty good job, and I did a little bit of correcting and touch-ups, which kind of inspired me because honestly, I think that I can do this and I'm really ready to try to roll up my sleeves and take my experience to the next level. So I bought a bunch of makeup in preparation for the video we were going to shoot, and I have a lot of excess stuff and I'm not sure if I should take it back or if I should keep it. I've been thinking about this a lot in my overall life. I have a lot of excess, and not that I want to become a minimalist or anything like that, but I have already cut down pretty significantly in a lot of areas with how much I buy at a time. I'm not going to do anything about what I currently have. As long as it's not cluttered and it's useful, I'm keeping it. I no longer buy in bulk because I felt like it was just too much and it was like a waste. So I thought it was like not worth it to continue that practice. However, something that I still kind of struggle with today is using all of what I have before moving on to the next thing. I was looking around on YouTube and I saw this thing called Project Pan, which I have kind of considered on my own without knowing anything about that concept. And if you aren't familiar, Project Pan is basically a challenge, if you will, challenging you to use all of your makeup until it's done before buying new stuff, to serve a couple of different purposes. One, not waste your money, so get your full use out of what you've bought, and the benefit of that would be to, again, save some money in the long run, but also get to really understand the makeup that you purchased and learn about your preferences and learn about products that you've bought and how to make the best out of what you have. The concept of using all of your makeup before you buy something new is kind of a good idea because, you know, I was taught to waste very little. It's kind of a challenge to make me think about the waste that I'm putting out into the world. And there's a lot of things that I can't control, or perhaps I'm not interested in controlling, but I think this is one of those things that I can control and I also have an interest in controlling. So I'd like to kind of use up all of my products before buying new stuff. It'll help me save a little bit of money, which it's helpful because with all that I'm trying to do, this is like really costly. Everything helps. I think, you know, I'm going to give it a shot and see if I can exercise this concept. I know I'm like, my hands are all over the place, but whatever. Exercise this concept to the fullest when it comes to this makeup journey, because I don't want to start new habits where I'm like overbuying and doing too much. I'm not a professional makeup artist yet, and I'm also not getting any of this stuff for free. So I might as well do what I can with what I have. And hopefully you guys really enjoy the content that I'm able to put out, and most importantly, hopefully I'm able to chronicle my growth and challenge myself to be better daily. So I hope you guys enjoy this concept. I hope you guys are interested in what I'm doing, and I hope you guys will join me for my journey, not just in watching what I do, but also if you want to do this together, I challenge you to also take a step at looking towards how much you waste. And if you buy a lot of makeup or have a lot of makeup, I challenge you to participate in this journey with me. Okay, so aside from my Halloween makeup, this is one of 3 makeup drawers full of makeup that I have. I have a mix of high quality makeup by MAC, as well as some over-the-counter things. These are new things I bought for the video that I shot for Halloween, and I liked it, and I thought I'd keep it out and not put it away with Halloween stuff, and maybe I can do some looks with those. I also have some palettes here. This quad palette situation is kind of left over from an older vanity where I didn't have a lot of room, so the quads fit best. Now I kind of have a bunch of quads that don't make any sense for my current situation, so I'm going to be looking at giving away the palette cubes and instead looking into getting replacement pans that maybe hold more so I have less palettes to fuss with every day. And then my top drawer is very bare. I just have a couple of palettes here, not a lot going on, different things. This is a MAC palette and this is the cover for that palette. I do keep these. Well, I only have one, but I do plan on keeping it because I like to cover this up in order to kind of keep my stuff looking nice. And then I have 2 contour palettes because I'm trying to learn how to contour my face, which is not easy to do, at least for me on my skill set, but hopefully that'll change. So those are my 3 drawers of makeup. The 4th drawer at the bottom is, I was gonna say condiments. That's it for my eyeshadow and the first top 3 drawers. The 4th drawer at the bottom is my personal items. Coming up here on top of my vanity, I have some different foundations and concealers. What the hell? Here I have some foundations and concealers, different lipsticks and mascaras. I also have a few items here, translucent powder, baking powder, all things I don't know how to use, some primers. And these are some face products that I'm working through. I'm actually almost done with a lot of these. So I am about to hit pan like pretty soon on a lot of these items, which I'm really excited about because that means that they didn't go to waste. These are like crazy lashes from that video. Over here I have eyelash stuff that I'm supposed to be using in order to grow my eyelashes, but I'm lazy. And some brushes in this situation back here, different brushes, some cheap, some not as cheap, but yeah. This is basically my like vanity setup. It's a new thing for me. Let's focus on these bad boys. But yeah, so.
Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my vlog channel, Please Excuse My Brilliance. I post new videos once a week on Fridays. We experience a lot of cool shiz, which I can't wait to share with you. So be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Please Excuse My Brilliance. And don't forget to rinse and repeat. Catch you on the flip side.
All right, so that is a quick and dirty on the items that I keep on my vanity for the purposes of doing my makeup. I'm just trying to figure things out. So if you are interested in finding out more about Project Pan, definitely feel free to continue to watch as I explore this concept myself, but you can also do some searches on your own. There's a lot of information on YouTube about Project Pan, and also it's something that you can definitely Google and find more information. Yeah, that's it for now. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you later. Make sure to like and subscribe if you are interested in seeing more content, or, you know, if you just want to help a sister out. I hope you guys like this. Like, I don't know if you guys will, and I'm not sure that it matters, although of course it would be great if you did, but I don't know, do what you want, and I'll be here, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
Yay, we recorded some shit.